Hello, my name is Jennifer Iturriago, and today I am going to talk about my personal routine for exercise, nutrition, and mental well-being. It is very important for my productivity as a student. Let's start with nutrition. Belly good food. Eat the food for the brain. I enjoy cooking balanced meals at home. As you can see in the part, I include rice, chicken, and a side salad. I love vegetables like tomato and carrot and little help me stay focused and energy during my virtual class. Between my study sessions, I usually have healthy snacks. My favorite is fresh food with tahini. I love it because it satisfies my cravings for something salty and spicy, but it is still nutritious. I also eat yogurt with almonds. I'm very triste at every vitamin for my milk. Now let's talk about movement every day. Do a 30-minute work routine follow a Fausto Murillo. It's challenging but very satisfying as I go working in the park to breathe fresh air. To complement my routine, I practice meditation on a week. This helps me reduce stress and stay calm. Power balance is essential for mental health. On weekends, I like to bring the routine. I have a sweetening too, so I love to have ice cream or strawberry with cream. Sometimes I go to the park or and order a delivery. These certain things make me feel happy and relaxed, which is very important for my emotional well-being. In conclusion, a healthy lifestyle is not just about rules. It's about finding a balance between exercise, good nutrition, and mental health. Thank you so much for your attention. Goodbye.